Hare Krishna. Now I will continue Lava and Kusha singing Ramayana. So, Lava and Kusha, who were the sons of Sita Devi, became experts in singing Ramayana under the guidance of Valmiki Muni. Once they were roaming around the palace of Ayodhya. They saw there were many gates. So they saw, once they were entering one gate, they saw Angada there. And Angada said that you can't enter. Only invited people can enter. So they said that we are invited. So you check your list. How can you say that we are not invited? So Angada said that I have the list. Your name is not there. So they said that our name is there. It must be there. You see the list again. So by the time Angada was seeing the list, they went inside. When they entered the palace of Ayodhya, they started singing Ramayana and soon attracted a big crowd there. Eventually, Bharata came there and told that, what is this crowd? Move on. So when they moved, one of the people told that, see, Ramchandra has just took birth. Bharata said, Ramchandra just took birth. So he said, you just listen. So when they started listening, he also forgot everything what he was doing and just listen. Same happened with Hanuman. He also came and forgot everything and just started listening. Eventually, then Lakshmana came, the chief minister of the palace. So when he came, he said that let's make this a program. So he said that he said Lava and Kusha that will you do this as a regular program, Ramayana as a regular program? So they said we don't mind, but we can't do it as we don't have invitations. So he said that I will invite you as special guest. You can do anything, play any style, you can do anything. You have to just do Ramayana. So it started and they do anything, but they just do Ramayana every day. So finally, when Hanuman called Lord Rama himself came and listened his own pastimes. Everyone happily listened the pastimes of Lord Rama, the glories of Lord Rama. Hare Krishna.